If you're constantly looking for ways to create more space, reduce clutter, and keep your home organized, this video is for you. We've rounded up some smart Amazon finds that help maximize storage, improve organization, and make small homes and apartments feel more functional. From space-saving solutions to everyday essentials that work smarter, these products can help you get more out of every room. You'll find links to everything featured in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off strong with this Love's Cabin Queen Comforter Set, an affordable bedroom upgrade that can completely refresh the look and feel of your space. The coordinated set includes matching bedding pieces designed to create a clean, comfortable, and polished appearance without requiring much effort. Soft materials help provide year-round comfort, while the matching design takes the guesswork out of decorating. It's an easy way to make a bedroom feel more inviting, cozy, and put together, and this usually sells for around $30 to $80. Up next is this portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, a handy machine built for tackling spills, stains, pet accidents, and everyday messes before they become permanent. Combining cleaning solution, water, and powerful suction, it helps lift dirt from carpets, rugs, furniture, stairs, and even vehicle interiors. The compact design makes it easier to move around the house compared to larger cleaning machines. For busy households, it's one of those tools that quickly proves its value, and this usually sells for around $80 to $200. Moving into the bathroom, this no-hook shower curtain simplifies installation with a built-in attachment system that slides directly onto the shower rod. That means no separate hooks, rings, or extra hardware to deal with. The design not only saves time during installation, but also makes removal for cleaning much quicker and more convenient. Combined with its clean appearance and practical functionality, it's a surprisingly useful upgrade for a space most people overlook, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. For a more versatile shower setup, this rain shower head combines relaxing overhead coverage with the convenience of a handheld attachment. The large rain-style spray helps create a more spa-like experience, while the built-in power wash mode delivers concentrated water pressure for cleaning tubs, shower walls, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. It blends comfort and functionality into a single fixture that can improve both daily routines and bathroom maintenance, and this usually sells for around $30 to $100. Bringing better organization to an everyday necessity, this toilet brush and plunger set keeps two essential bathroom tools neatly stored together in a compact holder. Instead of leaving cleaning tools exposed, the integrated design helps maintain a cleaner and more organized appearance. The durable construction is built for regular use, while the space-saving design fits easily into most bathrooms. It's a simple household upgrade that helps improve both convenience and overall cleanliness, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Next comes this Upgrade Swing Arm LED Desk Lamp, a practical lighting solution designed for reading, studying, working, and creative projects. The adjustable swing arm allows light to be positioned exactly where it's needed, helping reduce eye strain and improve visibility. Multiple brightness levels and color temperature options make it suitable for different tasks throughout the day. Whether it's a home office, gaming setup, or study area, the flexibility makes a noticeable difference, and this usually sells for around $30 to $90. Adding comfort to one of the most frequently used areas of the home, this foam bath mat rug provides a soft and supportive surface after showers and baths. The absorbent construction helps soak up excess water while reducing moisture on bathroom floors. Its cushioned foam core feels comfortable underfoot and helps create a more pleasant daily experience. Beyond practicality, it also adds texture and warmth that can make a bathroom feel more inviting, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. Taking outdoor cooking to the next level, this camping cutting board is designed for portability, convenience, and versatility. Its compact construction makes it easy to pack alongside camping gear, while still providing a reliable food preparation surface. Depending on the version, additional features may include collapsible sections, storage compartments, or multi-purpose functionality. Whether you're preparing meals at a campsite, picnic area, or tailgate event, it's a useful companion for outdoor adventures, and this usually sells for around $15 to $50. Creating a relaxing atmosphere becomes effortless with this essential oil diffuser. Using ultrasonic technology, it transforms water and essential oils into a fine aromatic mist that gradually fills the room. Many models also feature built-in ambient lighting that adds an extra layer of comfort and visual appeal. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, improve a workspace, or create a calming bedtime environment, it's a simple addition with a surprisingly noticeable effect, and this usually sells for around $20 to $60. Heading forward, this color mixing bowls set with lids, a kitchen essential designed to make meal preparation and food storage more convenient. The set includes multiple bowl sizes for mixing, serving, marinating, and storing ingredients, while the included lids help keep contents fresh when needed. A nesting design allows everything to stack neatly together for compact storage inside cabinets. It's one of those practical kitchen tools that gets used again and again, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. If you're enjoying the list so far, don't forget that all the products we've covered are linked down below in the description. Continuing on with these drawer dividers, a simple organization tool that can make cluttered drawers feel completely different. The adjustable design creates custom compartments for clothing, accessories, office supplies, kitchen utensils, or other everyday items that tend to get mixed together. Instead of digging through messy drawers, everything stays separated and easier to find. They're quick to install, easy to adjust, and useful throughout the home. It's a small upgrade that can have a surprisingly big impact on organization, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Helping reduce dependence on dryers, this clothes drying rack provides a convenient space for air drying garments while helping save energy. The foldable design offers plenty of room for shirts, pants, towels, and delicate fabrics while remaining easy to store when not in use. It's especially useful for clothing that shouldn't be exposed to high dryer heat. Whether used indoors or outdoors, it provides a flexible drying solution that works well in homes of all sizes, and this usually sells for around $25 to $70. Making laundry day a little easier, this shirt folding board helps create neat, uniform folds in just a few simple motions. Designed for both adults and children's clothing, it reduces the time and effort required to fold shirts while creating a more organized appearance inside drawers and closets. The durable plastic construction is lightweight, easy to use, and suitable for a wide range of clothing types. It's a surprisingly satisfying tool for anyone who likes organized storage, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. Bringing structure to crowded storage spaces, these refrigerator pantry organizer bins help keep food items visible, separated, and easier to access. The clear design allows contents to be identified quickly, while the included set provides flexibility for organizing refrigerators, freezers, cabinets, and pantry shelves. Instead of dealing with scattered items and wasted space, everything can have a designated location. For anyone looking to create a cleaner and more organized kitchen, these bins are a practical solution, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Keeping footwear organized becomes much easier with this non-woven shoe rack shelf. The multi-tier design provides dedicated storage for multiple pairs of shoes while helping reduce clutter around entryways, closets, bedrooms, and mudrooms. Lightweight construction keeps it easy to move when needed, while the vertical layout makes efficient use of available floor space. It's a practical storage solution that helps keep frequently used footwear accessible and neatly arranged, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Adding a fun and interactive element to meals, this electric fondue pot set makes it easy to enjoy melted cheese, chocolate, sauces, and other fondue favorites at home. Adjustable temperature controls help maintain consistent heat, while the dedicated serving setup encourages sharing and conversation around the table. It's great for parties, family gatherings, date nights, and special occasions. Beyond functionality, it helps create a dining experience that feels a little more memorable and entertaining, and this usually sells for around $30 to $100. Helping create cleaner soups, gravies, and sauces, this fat separator is designed to remove excess grease with minimal effort. The bottom release mechanism allows flavorful liquids to be poured while leaving unwanted fat behind near the top. This helps simplify cooking while producing more refined results in the kitchen. Clear measurement markings and an easy-to-use design add further convenience during food preparations. It's one of those specialized tools that can quickly become a favorite for home cooks, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Making use of often overlooked appliance space, this magnetic shelf for fridge instantly adds extra storage without requiring tools or permanent installation. The strong magnetic backing attaches securely to most refrigerators, creating a convenient place for spices, condiments, paper towels, kitchen accessories, and other essentials. By moving frequently used items off counters and shelves, it helps free up valuable space while improving accessibility. It's a clever organizational upgrade for kitchens of any size, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. And finally, last but not least, this hairdryer holder provides a dedicated storage location for styling tools. The wall-mounted design helps free up drawer and counter space while keeping hairdryers easily accessible when needed. Many versions also include storage for cords, brushes, or additional accessories, helping create a more organized setup overall. It's a small addition that can make everyday routines feel a little more streamlined, and this usually sells for around $10 to $30. And that's our lineup of practical Amazon finds designed to make everyday life a little easier, more organized, and a lot more efficient. If any of them caught your attention, you'll find links to everything featured down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more useful Amazon finds.